Meaning of eightsome.
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 Eightsome. The term eightsome refers to a group of 8 people or things. It can also refer to a type of Scottish dance that involves 4 couples. In this dance, the 8 individuals form a square and perform various steps and movements to traditional Scottish music. The eightsome dance is a popular feature at Scottish events and gatherings, and it requires skill and coordination from all participants. Overall, eightsome is a word used to signify a particular grouping of 8 individuals or objects, as well as a specific type of Scottish folk dance.